bats. Look, horse, pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa, you name it. Chop suey, raw fish, cassava, donuts, maya, anise, pigs, potatoes, pumpkins. Oh, my mama, cereals did the big. I got Taros, Ugas, Takihi, pigs, coconut, corned beef, fish, chicken, bats, you name it. Horse, pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa. Look, chop suey, raw fish, cassava, donuts, maya, anise, pigs, potatoes, pumpkins. Taros, pork, bones, and pua, fish, pig, you name it. Horse, pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa. Dancing all around the table, dancing all around the umu, dancing all around the dance floor, dancing all around the car park, dancing all around the foyer, dancing all around the kitchen, dancing all around the stage, dancing all around the hear me clap, you seeing this? I'm a Mari Islander like Bun, you both V said I love Auckland City. They've been calling us jive, I'll sneak dissing. We from Mataraman, Greta, Otahu, Manurewa, Papa Totoy, and Papa Kura, Panama, Mount Wellington, 10 tons, say it backwards. Onihonga, Penrose, Pamura, and the dope tastes right up in the backwood. I make you a slap, but anything else is not my job. And what's this on the blunt? Sticky smells beautiful, giving the blunt a kiss. I'm a South Auckland bull, watching David 2 and Jonah Lamo back in the days. R.I.P. to R. Oceana on Jess. On my 100 toast, my bro, I'm in Nota. Who setting up shop? This field make these Polynesians go fresh. Poppy fop, say what? Rolling up on a black hole, then Commodore VLO done up with the 450s in the trunk. I'll slap that bass. Like I said, I'm a Polynesian, yeah, and I love the mission, babe. I got taro, Ugas, Takihi, pigs, coconut, corned beef, fish, chicken, bats. Look, horse, pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa, you name it. Chop suey, raw fish, cassava, donuts, maya, anise, pigs, potatoes, pumpkins, almo, pack, bones, and pua, fish, pig, you name it. Yes. Pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa, you name it. Yes. Pork, bones, and pua, kumara, fried bread, mussels, quinoa, you name it. Amen. You can now eat. Food's been blessed. Don't forget your foil tray so you can take food home.